Hello friends, today I will show you the plugins we will be using in Sketchup 2025, and at the end of the lesson I will give you an email address. If you send an email with the subject, I want the plugins to that email address, I will check the subscribers, and it is a requirement to subscribe to our channel. Because friends, I will send you that package list on the condition that you subscribe. The plugins you need the most in Sketchup 2025 will be included in this package. Friends, and one of the plugin packages I provide to everyone, I would also like it if you subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment. If you write in the comments and send an email to the email address I provided, at the end, I will send you this email package, the plugin package. Friends, and you will be able to install it with peace of mind. You should watch this video to learn how to install it. That's enough, friends. There are very fine details. You're getting caught up in those fine details. I will explain them in a very clear and simple language. Friends, it's really very easy. Look, normally, when you open Sketchup 2025, the Extension Manager section over here is our plugin manager. So friends, this is the interface where we will install the plugins. The issue you get stuck on the most with this interface is this. When you install a plugin by clicking on Install Extension, you see the signed or unsigned section here. You're getting stuck on that one hand because I'm getting feedback from comments and emails. I'm getting responses from WhatsApp. It looks unsigned here, teacher. Does this plugin work? This plugin works. You'll understand whether it works or not. When you install the plugin, you come to the toolbar from Viv. For example, I installed the plugin called Solar Node from here. And look, I installed the plugin here. If it shows up here and the plugin is working, it means there's no problem. If it works when you click on the plugin in the effects section, or some plugins might not show up here, it will show up when you close and reopen it, then it means there's no problem. Friends, if it is not on the list, then this means it's incompatible with this version, meaning the Sketchup version. When Sketchup opens, it will give you an error message, friends. So, where did I install this plugin from? We have two websites regarding plugins. One of them, Extension Manager. It's the official site of Sketchup. So this is it, friends. The Extension Manager. Look, extensionsketchup.com. I will also provide this address. The other address is the Sketchup site that comes up when you search for Sketchup plugin. It comes up as Sketchup plugin. Look, there is a difference between this site and that site. Friends, I want to say that to you. This site is the official site of Sketchup. This site is one that has been created by the developers of Sketchup. So it's a site created by people who produce plugins for Sketchup and where the sharing happens. Friends, so this is a free site. This is also a site owned by the company specifically for Sketchup. You can download it from here as well. You can also download it from here, but some of the plugins here, not this year, no. How you need to register on this site, and there's a problem during registration because normally you can log in with your Gmail address, Apple ID, or Hotmail account here. It's very simple, but when you get here, you still get stuck. Actually, it's a very simple topic. Look, when you say register, a message pops up right away. Under the video on YouTube, dude, you've given a site, but this site is paid. Guys, the site is not paid. Look, it seems paid here, but down below, there's a section for free account. You click on the free account section. You fill in these sections without using Turkish characters, without any spaces, meaning without a gap. You say register. Look, it wants you to do a verification here. Do the mathematical verification and say register. You will be logged in like I am on my own account, guys. And when you get here, look, from the plugin store section over there, you go to the plugin store, and from the plugin store section, you can download the plugins here. Guys, this is an important topic. Now, how do you download the plugins here? Look, when you select the popular section among the plugins, it shows you the most downloaded plugins, guys. Some plugins should be from the Sketchup's own plugin library, the store. He needs it. Look, since I need this and it's the most downloaded plugin, I'm clicking the download button. The plugin has been downloaded and I'm going to install it. Look, Sketchup Tools has been downloaded. Guys, I'm copying these to the desktop because I'm going to give them to you. Let it stay here. And I'm going to the extensions menu. I said install extension, and I selected the Sketchup Tools here. I said open, guys. Look, did you see it when it came here? Some plugins may not show up here, meaning you might need to close and reopen it, or they might not be compatible with the program, so they won't display. As I said here, don't get too hung up on the signed or signature part. If you have a plugin that you are not using, uninstall it from here. You can use the ones you liked before. It's such a simple plugin, guys. Look at the shape here. You can also go to the extension store from here. When you log in here with the username and password you registered on the site, you will again be directed to the sketch caching site, guys. An important topic. Now, regarding plugins, I need to know which ones I can download and which ones I can't. Look, there's an important part here. Here, the Fredo plugins, the ones we call Fredo, are paid plugins. Fredo's plugins were free for 10 or 12 years, and then they became paid. In the package I send, you can also download and install these Fredo plugins. There's no problem with that. Now, you can click the download button for these Fredo plugins, and when you install them, they might give you an error message. Some of them work in certain versions, while others don't, guys. I haven't tried it in Sketchup 2025 yet. You can try using the download sections in the package I sent you. For example, there seems to be extrude tools. For example, Shapebender is one of the most commonly used plugins, guys. A free plugin. You click the download button. When you click on the more info section over there, guys, you can get information about the plugin. You can check whether it's paid or free. I'm clicking the download button. The Shapebender has landed. Look, I downloaded Shapebender, guys, and I put the Shapebender back on the desktop. I'm here. I pasted it. I'm back. I went to the extension manager. I said install extension. I selected Shapebender. I said open it, guys. Look, it says unsigned here. Don't get too hung up on these. What you need to do is go to the toolbar from Vive, select the Shapebender tool from here, and watch what Shapebender does in our Shapebender video. Guys, whatever plugin you're looking for, you go to our channel and click on the name of the plugin in our channel. A video related to that is coming up on the Sketchup Turkey YouTube channel, guys. If you subscribe to our channel, I will also share useful and guide-like videos like this with you, guys. As I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time showing you the many plugins we will be using here, but let me show you the plugin library over here, guys. Where is the plugin library? Look at the plugins. I will also send you the plugins here. I haven't checked too much whether they work or not, because some plugins may not work since Sketchup 2025 has been released. For example, let's try the Bevel plugin over here, guys. Let's see if the Bevel plugin is working. Bevel is also an important plugin. I'm saying install extension in the extension manager. I'm going to the plugin section from here, and I selected the Bevel plugin here. I said open it. Let's see if it will work. Normally, it works in Sketchup 2024, guys. Let's see if it worked in 2025. I went between Tulip. Let's check the Bevel section from here. I'm looking. Yes, it doesn't seem to be working right now, guys. I looked at the section in extensions, but it's not showing up. The Bevel plugin didn't work. Let's check the other plugins. One of the most used plugins. There's the Fool plugin. There's a plugin that places objects. For example, it's working. Let's take a look. Let's see. The Fool plugin worked. It's on the screen, guys. Maybe the Suitcase plugin will work if we close and reopen it. I'm closing it. I said no. I'm clicking again to run the screen thing. Let's run it and see. I want to check if the plugin has arrived or not, because sometimes when you close and reopen, some plugins show up, guys. As I always say, look, that plugin actually gave an error, and it's not compatible with our version, guys. An important part. Let's see which other plugins we use the most. Which ones do we need? Let's set them up. There's an old save. You can save any file in different versions. Let's see if it will work, guys. Let's set this up too. It should be over there. Look, it worked. The plugin you call Old Save, guys, allows you to save any of your files, like your 2025 file, in different versions. You can save from 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, or even the current version. From 2017 to 2020, it's an important plugin. Let's see which other important plugins we have. Is it working? We'll take a look at them. I will send these to you anyway. You will be able to download and use them. There's a Welt plugin. Welt is one of the plugins I use the most. Let's see. If it appears in the Tools section, It's not showing up here. Welt in Tools. Yes, it's showing up here. Look, guys. Check the Welt plugin. That worked too.